guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back, whichever applies to you I guess. It has been a while and it feels so good to be back. So this is a long overdue video and it's a review of the Insta360 One X2, which is a 360 camera, and I have been obsessed with it. I know I'm super late to the game because this has been around for quite a while now, but I still wanted to create this video to give you my 2 cents on this camera. The whole reason why I got the camera in the first place was because I got an electric skateboard at the beginning of this year, and I really wanted a camera to go with the skateboard so I can create some casual action style videos. So I was looking into different cameras like the GoPro and DJI Osmo Action. But then I came across Insta360, and I have to be honest, I've never heard of Insta360 before, but after binge watching all the reviews I could find, I was sold. If you have never heard of Insta360, then I highly suggest you go check them out because they're killing it with their small action cameras right now. This is my very first 360 action camera, by the way. And basically how it works is that there are 2 super wide angle cameras, one on each side, and it's capturing everything in every direction. And then the camera automatically stitches the footage together, resulting in a 360-degree view. So you don't need to worry about where you're pointing the camera because it will record everything. Then all you need to do is to connect the camera to your phone using the Insta360 app, and you can reframe the shots afterwards. You can also get really creative with it, and they have tons of amazing features and effects, and you can get some seriously cool results with that. Not to mention, the stabilization of this device is incredible. If you don't want to shoot 360, you can also choose the single lens option to record using a 150-degree angle, so it's more like a regular action cam, or I don't know, maybe you can use it even for vlogging. This is a really versatile camera, and whether you're using it to upload on YouTube, Instagram or TikTok, it gives you a lot of options to make some really unique videos. The Insta360 One X2 can shoot 5.7K videos at 30 frames per second, 4K videos at 50 frames per second, and 3K videos at 100 frames per second. I also love the size and design of the camera. It's really nice and sleek, you can easily fit it in your pocket or bag, and you have this nice circular touchscreen display, and I'm blown away by how good it is. It's really nice and clear. You have the power button on the side and the record button right here, the USB-C port on the other side, as well as the battery, and you put the microSD card in the same slot where the battery goes in. It also features 4 microphones for better audio, and it's waterproof up to 10 meters. Insta360 also offers a lot of different accessories to go with the camera, which is awesome. I got the Insta360 invisible selfie stick, which I think is a must-have along with the bullet handle, but also depending on the activities that you want to use the camera for, you can buy stuff for like snowboarding, motorbiking, bungee jumping, diving, and so on. I feel like the list is almost endless. My major issues are not with the camera itself, but with the protection or the lack thereof. I got one of these silicone sleeves because I'm using it as an action cam, and I wanted to keep the camera as protected as possible for the inevitable fall, but it turns out that the silicone sleeves, even though it's really thin, it messes with the footage, and you get this black line where the video has been stitched together, and I just ended up taking off the sleeve. Apparently you get the same problem with the lens guards because it does obstruct the lenses a little bit when you're filming, and I saw some reviews where people are also mentioning that they had some issues with distortion and also experiencing some flare when recording in sunny situations. So that's something to keep in mind. As of now, my camera is completely naked without any protection, and literally every time I use this camera, my heart skips a beat, and I just pray that I don't drop it or scratch it in any way. But other than that, I think this is one of the best, if not the best 360 camera for its price point. I've been using it a lot and I just absolutely love it. So yeah, that's it for the short review. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then make sure to hit the like button, and if you want to see more of this type of content in the future, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to consider subscribing to my channel, it would mean so much to me. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!